So usually when I do give you a little exam, you're gonna see on the other part it will be the brush, just in case you need to add, you know, like to brush it over on your beads or your frame, or you can using on the other ends, which is the needle parts, which is I'm gonna able to do a little exam right here. So you're gonna do a little exam, and I'm gonna do what I'm doing. I'm gonna seals on the top of the frame. Okay, and on the top of the beads, check between the crystal. I don't seals on the top of the crystal because it's gonna destroy the beautiful sparkle, and then the fastest the cut from the crystal. So we're gonna seals on the top of the beads and the frame and around the crystal to seal it in. But if you feel like right here scratchy, it means that it's probably getting a little gap there. We're gonna feel it to make sure the art is gonna be really stay in secure. All right, so oh awesome, Tiffany. Yep, so if you have further questions, feel free to DM our team. We'll be really happy to assist you. Thanks so much for tuning in. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Check on all of this right here. I feel scratchy right here. I feel it too. You know, when you run this through the client's design, they're able to feel that with you as well. So, oh my God, I feel that too, Nancy. You know, they can feel that it's scratchy, and that's what you want to seal it in. So then it's avoiding from catching their hair, their clothes. All right, here too, and then here for 60 seconds. On the next one, here is sealed on the frame and the beads. Okay, and make sure that you not squeeze it on the top of the crystal because you don't want to destroy it. All right, here. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Bella. I just got to see one comments, and let me scroll it to make sure I don't miss anybody comment. So I'm gonna seal again. You see that frame right here? You're gonna seal just every time you're gonna squeeze it out. You're gonna just need that much. You don't want to squeeze like a lot. Like if I squeeze it out like this, let me show you. That is a lot to put it on the edges. That is might flood your crystal. So you want to use just a little go a long way. And then we are going to seal on the top of the beads around the crystals and the frame. Check on the side. Notice the base, the condensed glue gels and no wet top coat is already like suck your crystal placement already. All right, so cure this for 60 seconds. You know what, be honest, I really like the short nail too, but I'm so used to with the long nails, and having a short nails feel like it's hurting because you stick on the fingertips a lot. So now you don't have a nail too, but it would tight faster like this. I've been wearing a long nails for 2 years. Oh, short nail, I mean, sorry. I was like, wait, I just wearing a long nail, just take it off. I am. Hey, extra good question. I just using a Precision glue gels, which is this beauty is coming in the crystal trifecta. So I did the condensed glue gel first, no wet top coat, and I seal with Precision glue gels. So this is Precision glue gel, which seals everything in for you. So let me wipe it off